Ahoy hoy. I know what you're thinking. You read the title that we were going to be doing Crockpot meals. And now you're just getting me sitting at work eating a fajita bowl. By the way, let me just bitch for a quick second. This fajita bowl is supposed to be a chicken fajita bowl, and there is exactly one piece of chicken in this fajita bowl. Doing this because I forgot to film an intro. So here it is. I made 3 Crockpot meals. I believe they're all from a list of low-calorie Crockpot meals from Taste of Home. I will leave all 3 of the original, oh no, sorry. One of them is my recipe. Hello. Happy crisis. The last one is my original recipe, so I will just link all of that down below. However, the first 2 are from Taste of Home, so I will leave the original recipes below. I did change them. I will explain that in the little voiceover I do. And let's make some food. So this recipe is listed down below as the apple butter pork, but I didn't end up getting apple butter. Apparently that is out of season, so I just kind of makeshifted the flavor with some apple jelly and a little bit of cinnamon. And then I also ended up using spicy mustard instead of plain yellow mustard because we were in fact out of yellow mustard. So this recipe is the Country Captain Chicken. I don't entirely understand the title of it, but what I changed in this recipe is it called for cinnamon, which I subbed out with sumac seasoning, which is my all-time favorite chicken seasoning. It's amazing. It actually went really good with the curry powder in this one. And it also called for raisins, which I kind of just completely omitted because I hate raisins. This beauty is my stew. It's a quick one, so I will just leave all the ingredients down below.